Well, he's 8 months old, and he's gonna be trying some beef. We're not sure if he's gonna like it, so we're gonna videotape the experience. You ready for some beef, big guy? Come on. We're not sure if he wants it. Come on. No, he doesn't want it. Do you want some? Let's try just veggies first. Just veggies. Just veggies. Come on, open wide. That's just veggies. That's just veggies. You can't even make that face. It's just veggies. Okay, come on. Wally. Open your mouth. Without being distracted by the camera. Staring right into the camera the whole time. Okay, come on. Yes. Yes. He doesn't like it.
He's gonna throw up.
No.
It's like
No.
dude, it's like hamburgers. Wally,
Just
hamburger.
veggies. This is just veggies. Do you know what no means? You might. Come on. Okay. Come on. Okay, this is just mixed vegetables. Potatoes and peas and carrots. All laundry's done. Come on, open up. Wally, you're being so silly. Come on, open up. Open up. Okay, come on. Ah.